Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video in this we are going to see how to create ArcGIS map in Power BI. So let's start with video. So first within search box just type Power BI. Now see here it is showing icon for Power BI desktop tool. So just double click on it. Now friends, if you have not installed this Power BI tool on your machine, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI tool. Now here it is showing within this tool, it is showing the option blank report. So just click on this. Okay. Now we are creating the ArcGIS map. Means we need a data. So we will take the sample data. So you have to click here, use on this option, use sample data. Again, click on this button, load sample data. Now from this, we are going to select this financials data set. So just select this financials and just click on this load button. Now you can see here within this data option, this financial data set is included. Okay. Now we can start creating the ArcGIS map. Now see, as we are creating the map means we need the different regions, or we have to select the data set which contains the regions or cities or states or countries. Okay, so our data set contains the countries which will be used within a map. So if you observe here, within this visualizations you will get the option for ArcGIS. Now see, this is icon for ArcGIS for Power BI. So just you have to select this. You have to click so that it will get added within your workspace. Now see here it is added. So it is showing option sign in to ArcGIS. So here no need to do sign in. Just continue as a guest. Now here within visualizations for location option, you can insert the countries. Just you have to drag and drop these values. Again here for size, you can select the cells, and for colors you can select the sum of profit, and for size we have selected sum of cells. Okay, now if you observe within this map, you are able to see some different some circles or visualizations. It is nothing but the data set showing the different countries. Now see here small dot is there, it is showing the Mexico. This circle is showing United States of America, again Canada, France and Germany. Set contains whatever names of countries are included in data set, that countries only it is showing here. Okay, now you can change the cosmetics for this map also. So just you have to select this icon for layers. Again select this properties, then labels. Again select the option show labels. So it will show the name of the countries. Again you can change the font size also and color of the font also. Here you can use this option enable hello. So it is included here. Again here you can change the shape and size for the circles. See, I have included this size, increased size. So it is showing the size of circles is increased. Again here you can show the locations also. If I select on this location option, so it is showing the different countries here. Again within layers, you can select the style options. Again, you can change the color. Suppose I want to take color as a green. It is showing here. Again, you can change the map, base map also. Right now it is a light gray canvas. Suppose I want to use it as a OpenStreetMap. Just you have to select OpenStreetMap. So it will show the structure of OpenStreetMap. Again, you can use streets also. Just you have to click here so that it will show the structure. Again, you can use dark gray canvas also. It is showing like this. And it is showing here the name of the countries which are available in dataset. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.